Welcome to Design Guy. Glad you're here. Want to make your Canva designs pop with cool entrance and exit effects? I'll show you how. Click Create, then select Custom Size. Enter 300 by 300 pixels. Next, grab an element, select Animation, and place the animation element onto your canvas. Start by selecting the happy face. Resize it smaller, then click the Animate button to apply animation. Add a thumb element, then add a baseline at the designated spot. Select both elements, then increase the animation speed to make it faster. If the animation seems too slow, reduce the speed. You can also apply a reverse animation effect to adjust the sequence as needed. Here's how to apply reverse animation in Canva. Click Animate to preview the enter and exit animations. The baseline option becomes visible only after you apply both animations. Click the preview button to watch them in action. After selecting both animate options, add a reverse exit animation. Click Share and Download, then save your animation as an MP4 video or a GIF file. Increase the size to ensure the best quality for downloads. Now you know how to add cool exit and entry animations in Canva Smash. That like button and subscribe for more!